You've heard all the hype about artificial intelligence, right? But what if it's not just about super smart robots and self-driving cars? What if it's a tool that you could use, like starting today, to build a brand new income stream? Well, today we're going to break down exactly how you can turn AI into your new favorite side hustle.
So when you hear AI, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Do you picture super complex code and data scientists in a lab? Yeah, a lot of people do. But what if that's not the whole picture? Not even close.
Let's completely reframe how we're thinking about AI. Forget all the complexity for a minute. Instead, I want you to picture it as a new toolbox, and it's filled with these incredibly powerful instruments that can help you build, create, and yes, generate some real income. Okay, so how does this toolbox actually help you make money? Well, it really boils down to two key things. First, AI is an engine for saving you a ton of time. And second, it's a powerful engine for building new, valuable skills. Let's tackle time first.
So first off, think of AI as your own personal assistant. It is brilliant at handling all those routine, time-consuming tasks that just seem to fill up our days. We're talking about drafting emails, organizing your schedule, or even whipping up social media posts. By automating all that stuff, it frees you up to focus on what really matters: finding clients, developing your big ideas, and doing the actual work that makes you money.
And this slide just shows that transformation perfectly. On the left, you've got the before. Hours spent, money wasted on these tedious tasks. But then you look to the right, you see the after, using a tool to instantly generate ad copy or create these stunning visuals. That time and money you save, it goes directly back into your pocket. But saving time is only half the story. What if AI could also be your personal tutor? You know, learning a new high-income skill used to take months, maybe even years. AI is completely changing that game, and it's speeding up the learning process like you wouldn't believe. Just think about the skills you've always wanted to learn. As you can see here, whether it's graphic design, a little bit of coding, or video editing, every single one of these is a potential income stream. AI can act as your guide, breaking down these complex topics into simple, manageable steps. And learning faster? Well, that just means you start earning sooner. It's as simple as that.
All right, let's crack open this toolbox. We know how AI creates value. Now let's look at what you can actually build with it. We're going to go on a quick tour of 4 of the biggest income streams that you can tap into right now.
This table here breaks down the 4 major arenas where AI is a total game changer. Let's walk through it. First, you've got freelancing, where AI helps you generate drafts for clients almost instantly. Second, content creation, where it can write the scripts for your new YouTube channel. Third, e-commerce, helping you design products for your online store. And finally, just general side hustles, like using AI to help you research, write, and even design the cover for an ebook you can sell.
Let's start with freelancing, because this is where demand is absolutely exploding. We've highlighted 5+ key areas here, but honestly, the list just keeps growing. Businesses need things done fast, and they are paying top dollar for freelancers who can deliver using AI.
Here are some of the hottest services right now. I mean, think about it. You could generate a week's worth of social media content for a client in an afternoon, or design a professional-looking logo in under an hour. Now, remember, the key is that AI creates that first draft, and then you provide the final human polish that makes it perfect.
And for all you content creators out there, AI is like having a production team right in your pocket. As the chart shows, it can tackle huge chunks of your workflow, from script writing and brainstorming video ideas to designing that perfect clickable thumbnail. This frees you up to produce more content, grow your audience, and monetize your passion way faster.
Thinking of selling products online? It used to be a mountain of tedious tasks. But as you can see, AI can now streamline the entire assembly line, from designing the product itself to writing descriptions that actually sell, and it can even handle some of the customer service.
So, we've seen the tools and we've seen the opportunities, but this brings us to the most important question. If anyone can use these tools, what makes you different? What's your unique edge?
This quote says it all, really. AI is an incredibly powerful tool, but it's just that, a tool. It lacks genuine creativity, it lacks personality, and it lacks your life experience. The real magic and the real money happens when you combine your unique human talent with the speed and the efficiency of AI.
Look at it this way. AI can generate a blog post, but you provide the story. AI can design a logo, but you provide the vision. The things that make you unique, your personality, your taste, your ideas, those are impossible to automate. That is your real advantage.
All right, we've covered the why and the how. Now, let's talk about the what.
It's time to move from theory to action. How do you actually get started on your very first AI-powered project?
It's simpler than you think. First, just play around, explore some of the tools out there. Then, pick a small, manageable project. Try writing a short ebook, designing a personal logo, or creating a blog post on a topic you love. And, most importantly, as you do it, consciously inject your own style and ideas. Don't just accept the first thing it gives you. Refine it, change it, make it yours.
The tools are on the table, ready and waiting. The only missing ingredients are your unique idea and the willingness to just start. The technology is ready. The opportunity is here. The only real question left is the one on your screen. What will you build first?